In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn on Proton VPN and get connected to different IP addresses from around the world. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. So once you have logged into your Proton VPN, you may want to go ahead and launch it, and this will go ahead and change your location. And to do so, just head over to this connect option here. And as you can see, it is currently showing my location. However, if I tap on connect, it will go ahead and switch amongst the servers that are in different locations. And currently it is connecting to the nearest server. So let's wait. And look at that. It has automatically connected to Netherlands. And now my VPN IP address has changed. And you can now see it here. So that's how you launch Proton VPN and get connected to any of the servers around the world and hide your IP address. As you can see, this is a faster connection and it is free, and you can get connected to any of the locations, and the free account gives you, I think, around 5 locations that you can, around 4 to 5 locations that you can connect to. If you want to change the server, you can just use the change and then it will change it. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.